Time now for this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, where a group of young people recently joined hands to help the less fortunate while preserving the environment. Here's TVJ's Kean Morgan.
A Ray of Hope, a group of young people coming together for a worthy cause. Based in Mandeville, Manchester, it consists of high schoolers and university students. In a bid to make Jamaica more environmentally friendly, these visionaries merged their aspirations, starting an initiative called 4Ts, Transforming Trash to Treasures. It involves converting waste into useful products like sleeping mats and handbags. Founder and project manager Crystal Scale says the initiative came about during her reign as Manchester Festival Queen 2018.
It's about taking your potential solid waste pollutants like your used fabrics and your plastic and upcycling them to make useful products. The products that are made with the intention for them to be environmentally friendly, but also to be products that can be sold as a way of income generation for the project and also given back as donation to society for social outreach.
Recently, 4Ts reached out to a family who was in dire need of help. At the time, Karine Smith-White, who lived with her children in poorest Manchester, had just lost her house in a fire. A few months before that, she lost her husband to dengue. Mrs. Smith-White says taking care of her children was a burden.
I lost everything. I have to just drop down and start crying. That ball. I wonder what me I go do now.
Ms. Cale says when her team got wind of the news, it was an opportunity for them to help. Along with the sleeping mats, the group, with the help of sponsors, donated chicks to Mrs. Smith-White. She also received the clothes, school items, and other essentials for the family.
Me just start smile from that. It's a blessing from left, right to center. And me just thank God for her.
I love the environment and I believe that it is something to be cherished, and also making something that while helping the environment, I could use it to help vulnerable persons in society.
The volunteers say giving back brings joy.
My greatest personal satisfaction comes from knowing that I'm making an impact, knowing that somebody's life becomes better by me doing simple tasks.
It brought such joy to my heart.
That spoke to me on a personal level that, hey, I have to pick this up, I have to contribute my time.
They're imploring others to join in giving back to society while preserving the environment.
Some of us are extremely busy, may not be money. Some of us aren't that affluent, but whatever you can give back.
With a ray of hope, I am Kean Morgan.